Hi, this is Jake from Optimus Futures, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to get started and get connected to a live or demo data feed on the Jigsaw day trading software. Now, first up, we will need to download the software. So if you already have purchased a license of Jigsaw Daytradr, it's likely that you have already been emailed a username and password for your membership portal. Your membership portal is where you're going to activate all your current licenses, where you're going to download the platform, where you can monitor your licenses, and much more. They also have a chat room here for traders. They have a trading journal, and they also have their help desk. You can get to this website by going to members.jigsawtrading.com. Once you are in, and if you haven't done so already, you'll need to download the platform. You can do that by clicking on the Jigsaw Daytradr download section, this link right here. And then once you're in, we're pretty much just going to want to click on the very first link, the Jigsaw Daytradr standard. This is going to be the current release or the current update of this trading platform. So pretty much just click on download the software and follow their step-by-step guide on how to proceed and how to install the software. Once you have it installed, we're not just done yet with the membership portal. So head back one click. And then now that we're in our main portal here, we'll need to click on licenses. Now this is going to differentiate between trader to trader. Everybody may have a different license type, but just keep in mind, these are going to be your licenses in which you need to activate your platform with. Like I said, it may differentiate between trader to trader. It may not be a lifetime license, or you may not be even live trading on Jigsaw Daytradr. Either way, depending on your license type, they will be listed here. So just keep that in mind. You can save these down for your own purposes and for your own records, or you can copy and paste them into the platform, as you'll see in just a second. So now that we know where our license information is, you can get out of your internet browser and we can head over to our download of Jigsaw Daytradr. Now keep in mind, this may actually look just a bit different than it does on yours. At first glance, you'll notice I do have some extra buttons here. This is because I've already activated my Jigsaw license. If you haven't yet, it's likely only one or two buttons will show up within this section. When you do open up the platform, you'll see the license manager here, this license window on the right-hand side. If for whatever reason, by default, this does not populate, you can just head over to Files and then go to Licensing, and it'll open up this window here. Now, like I said, everybody may have some different licenses associated with their Jigsaw account. Whether you have a lifetime license or a live trade license, that is going to be up to you and whether or not you want to purchase that. Either way, I'm just showing you the technicality behind it and where to actually place it. So if you do have these licenses, simply come back to the Jigsaw membership portal, copy and paste both your trading license, that being the lifetime license and the live trading license, and then go back to the platform and paste them in their corresponding fields, as you can see here. The top one is for your lifetime license and the bottom is for your trade license. Once you have both entered in, simply click on the activate button on the left-hand side there, and it will activate your platform. And now your platform should start looking like mine here on the left-hand side. You should gain access to a couple more buttons. And once you do, we're ready to get established to our live data feed. So we can exit out of our license manager for now. And now we can click on the connection manager button. This looks like 3 combined pipes, and it's located on the far left-hand side of this main window here. When we open this up, you'll see we're presented with a connection manager. And now Jigsaw does connect to multiple different data feeds, just to name a few that we offer: Gain, IQ feed, Rhythmic, and CQG. So depending on your data feed, you'll want to select the corresponding option. For my example, I'm going to be using a Rhythmic paper trading account. So for here, we can type in Rhythmic paper trading. Keep in mind that the connection field, this first one at the top here, doesn't actually, although it does say it's required, you can enter in whatever you like here. This is pretty much just for your own organization purposes. Nothing you enter in here is going to affect the connectivity status of your data feed, so just keep that in mind. The description, again, is pretty much just for your own sole purpose. This is not required. If you have multiple accounts, you might want to put in the description account A or account B. Or if you're paper trading like I am, you could type in paper trading here. Or if it's a live account, you can type live. This is all going to come down to you, and you don't have to enter anything, which is the option I'm going to choose. Next up, we enter in our username. So I'm going to simply copy this over for my own records. Next up, we have our password. Again, I'll copy this over for my own records. The server, this will depend on which data feed you're using and which type of account. Like I mentioned before, I'm going to be using a paper trading account. This is essentially live data with a demo feed. The orders aren't sent to the exchange. So if you do have a Rhythmic paper trading account, you'll select that option. If you have a live Rhythmic account, you'll select Rhythmic 01. You'll see also when you go into the CQG option, for example, or the gain option, there will also be options or corresponding fields for demo feeds and live feeds. So you'll likely know which one you're using. Just click on the corresponding option on whether it's a live or a data demo. Now from here, we can choose, and this I believe is specific to Rhythmic, days to load on startup. I'm going to keep it as the default for now, just so things do load smoothly. I'll keep it at 20, but this can be increased or decreased as needed. From there, the only other option we pretty much have is Auto Connect, which is down at the bottom here. I would suggest clicking on that if you do plan on using this as your main trading platform. It'll just connect you every time you log into this Jigsaw Daytradr. The parameters at the bottom are very specific. If you are using a custom API, you'll likely need to customize these settings as needed. But for me, I'm just going to do Rhythmic paper trading again, and this is going to automatically configure everything for myself. If you are using a miscellaneous field that we haven't covered in this video, you can reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to help you. It's likely if you are using some sort of custom API through Rhythmic or various other source, that they will provide you with fields such as the admin, the domain name, domain, your license key, broker, etc. Once you're ready and everything's entered in appropriately, we can click on OK here. We'll highlight our Rhythmic paper trading field now, and now in the bottom left, we can click on Connect. This may take a second or two, so I will fast forward as needed. If you do get this yellow highlight, that it means you're pretty much likely to going to get connected here. So once it does say loading, as you can see, it switches over to connected, and we're now connected to live data. The next step you're likely going to take is click on download instruments here, and this will pretty much allow you to start downloading symbols appropriately. If you already have some downloaded, you can just click on update, you can click on reload if you need to readjust them, or you can click on refresh as well. Being that we are a futures broker, you're going to want to select the futures option. Then you can break it down by the exchange they're associated with. So for example, you have CME, CBOT, Eurex, ICE, NYMEX, the whole shebang. So we can click on CME, we can click on downloaded, and now we'll start to get all these symbols for the CME. And now we're pretty much on the right track to start trading with these. As you can see, I did get an error message here. I did disconnect briefly and then reconnect. This likely is not going to matter too much here, but as you can see, the error window is good for monitoring your connection if anything does arise that is unexpected. But that's going to be it for this video. I just wanted to show you how to get started and get connected to your live or demo data feed. In future videos, we will cover how to open up a chart or how to get connected to other various symbols and trade through those symbols, for example. But for now, we're just going to keep it simple, and this will be a good introductory point to getting started with Jigsaw Daytradr. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to help you. You can post on our community forum, or you can also post down in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Jigsaw day trading content, trading podcasts, advice, tips, much more. And as always, thanks for watching.